not having this, Missy. What? Get it. Go get it. You did that on purpose, too. Really? Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Can you do it? Can you do it? Are you stuck? Come on, you know you can do it. Yeah, you got it. I knew you could do it. Your daddy's gonna be so proud of you. Yay! Uh-oh, what happened? What happened? You're not gonna try anymore?